Insurers are consistently under pressure to modernize and deliver a superior customer experience. Today's underwriters are tasked with document-heavy, inefficient manual data extraction and interpretation. And with the pressure to keep pace with evolving technology like AI, it's more difficult than ever to navigate the intricate web of data regulations and risk. Let me introduce you to a solution that addresses these challenges head-on. Appian's Connected Underwriting Workbench for Life. Connected Underwriting Workbench is a pre-built solution that harnesses the power of Appian's data fabric, AI, and process automation to accelerate the underwriting process. The solution enables insurers to automate much of the data ingestion, triage, and prioritization process to allow their underwriting departments to focus on writing more policies profitably. Underwriters can get a snapshot of applications ready for review with AI-generated summaries and can dive deeper into details with a unified view of all related submission data thanks to Appian's data fabric, removing the need to swivel chair between systems supported by a flexible open solution architecture. Since the solution is built on the Appian platform, it fits cleanly into existing systems, between data intake channels and downstream policy administration systems. To make our workbench even more powerful, we've partnered with Swiss Re Reinsurance Solutions to offer a pre-built connection to their industry-leading underwriting rules engine Magnum. By integrating Swiss Re's Magnum risk assessment capabilities, we can quickly determine what needs attention for quick and sound underwriting decisions. Additionally, we can tackle repetitive tasks like classifying or routing emails and extracting data from documents with generative AI. In our example on screen, Edward Harris's submission has a requirement for an attending physician statement. And like many of the required documents that need to be collected, such as loss runs, asset inventory, and inspection reports, just to name a few, they often vary in composition and can be extremely lengthy, requiring several hours to even days sometimes to find the specific information we need within a document. So why not leverage the power of generative AI to find and organize what we're looking for? Using Appian's AI skills, I can build, test, and deploy my own private AI use cases into my workflows while adhering to privacy and security requirements. Appian uses private AI in our solutions. Our generative AI skills don't use your data to train models, and we don't send your data over the internet to be used by third-party services. AI skills were designed with comprehensive governance in mind. So in this scenario, once the document is received, we can process it in the background, and when completed, assign a user, like myself, a task to review the results and approve the extraction activity. We strongly believe in AI with humans in the loop, ensuring you have complete oversight and every outcome from leveraging AI in assisting your daily activities. Let's take a look at the results from processing Edward's document. On my review task here, we can see the extraction process has converted much of the unstructured data spread throughout the document into structured, organized data formatted in a manner that makes it easier for me as an underwriter to find what I'm looking for. Also, now that I've extrapolated the data into a structured format, I can utilize these data points for any decision logic, activity triggers, and business rules in my Appian solutions and applications, so that I can kick off workflows, assign tasks, and reduce time and resources needed throughout the entire underwriting process. I can even use Appian's record chat component to allow my users to semantically query this data to find information or derive insights using natural language. For example, I'll ask it, was an electrocardiogram conducted for this patient, and what was the result of that procedure? And here you can see it produces a result and lets me know that there were several EKGs performed, when they were performed, and a quick summary of what that result was. The best part? The prompt definition that we used to achieve this was entirely within my control. I have the ability to define how I want to extract information, which means I can easily adapt to changing requirements, document formats, and information I have available that I want to analyze. So with the prompt builder, you can continue to test and iterate your prompt definitions to get exactly what you need from your data and document types. Lastly, I want to show you how an organization can continuously optimize their underwriting process, and that's with Process HQ. Process HQ is a self-service workspace that enables business users to make data-driven decisions and improvements by providing unprecedented visibility into their enterprise. Process HQ measures performance, analyzes it, and identifies what's causing problems, such as bottlenecks, long wait times, or skipped activities. Now, why does that matter? In the real world, this process doesn't run as expected. Sometimes steps are skipped, repeated, or cause significant delays. And as months and years go by, how do you know if the process is actually performed as planned? More importantly, how do you know if they are helping your business achieve its goals and using resources as efficiently as possible? Traditional process mining requires consulting engagements and specialized skills like data science and Python scripting at times, and this makes it hard to scale and costly to find insights. In contrast, Process Insights makes it easy to mine data, easy to gain insights, and easy to convert insights into action. Much like our scenario today, finding and extracting data from complex documents in order to make qualified decisions can take many hours on some occasions. Here we have an example of a policy submission workflow. If we zoom in on our document extraction step, I can see we're spending on average of just over 15 hours from the extraction to the review step. But to take it one step further, Process HQ has also identified where and how we can improve this process by providing a quantifiable and measurable direction for making improvements by stating that, in our scenario on screen, speeding up occurrences of the document extraction to the review step by just 25% of the cases could lead to 909 days of savings annually for my organization. I can start an investigation and build executive reports that include those time savings that my organization can use to justify investments in process improvements, so we can focus our efforts where we will have the most impact and savings. Leveraging Appian's insurance solutions with Data Fabric and Process HQ in unison means I can easily go from data to insights to action. We firmly believe using a business orchestration and automation platform like Appian is the least path of resistance to implementing AI into your workflows. It's designed with privacy in mind, and we can stand up meaningful use cases in just a matter of weeks backed by our Appian guarantee. And we don't require you to migrate or centralize your data to gain the benefits of using AI. Thanks for watching this video on how Appian can transform and orchestrate your insurance processes.